So Matt, I want to ask you, related to Alondra's comments, about genetic testing companies' obligation to the social welfare of society, right? So we talk about particular testing companies like African Ancestry. So Alondra has spoken about this and written about this in her works, and they claim to be committed to helping people, the well-being of people across the African diaspora, right? So when you look at companies like them or others, do you think that it's their commitment and their obligation to contribute to the social well-being of society, or are they okay, as other companies are, to just make money?
Well, I do think that any company dealing with genetics, and particularly any company dealing with health, has responsibilities that are different from just being a company. I mean,
manufacturing goods. Right?
Yeah, I mean, so Ken Frazier at Merck is actually very eloquent about this in making medicine, that you have obligations to the history of your company. And that's not really just true that's true in a lot of sectors. A lot of people feel that the company that they are working for is more than just a creature that makes money. However, companies are entities that have to make profit and do make profit and will do things in order to make profit and can get things done that sometimes we can't get done any other way. I mean, you talk about building these medical databases. I think it would be great if we were building medical databases in a government-based way that was protecting everyone's rights and the data was accessible in a way that we all agreed was possible. The reality is that a lot of the databases that are being built in industry are growing faster because there are people who have drugs to manufacture and develop and are facing 95% failure rates for their products and want to figure out what's going to work and what's not, or hospital systems that see this data as valuable. And the fact that it has value means that people are going to try to make money out of it, and we do have to figure out as a society what guardrails we're going to set up to make sure that that profit motive is creating good things and not bad. It is the nature of companies to move forward. It is not always the nature of a startup to think about all the consequences. As 23andMe, where I think they had good intentions and they ran smack into the FDA and they had to completely readjust, and their goals may be good goals, but they are their goals. Even if they're trying to benefit humanity, they shouldn't get to be the final say on how we use genetic data, but they're the ones collecting it and turning it into a product that is useful.